Welcome, fellow fans and collectors, to another Transformers unboxing. Today we have Transformers Legacy United Beast Wars Universe Tigerhawk. This is an update to the late season Beast Wars character in our modern toy line. Tigerhawk is a magically combined combination of Air Razor and Tigatron from the alien species, the Valk. It's been a little while since I've seen it, but yeah. He was a TRANSMETAL 2 figure, but also a fuser, etc., etc. This guy's leader class. Let's have a look at the box. Product images of him in alt mode. It in alt mode. Her in alt mode, I don't know. Bot mode here. Legacy United artwork. We have our friend here, and we have other characters coming here. 40 years of Transformers. On the back, we have product shots of Tigerhawk in robot and beast mode. 43 steps to transformation. We will find out how that is. Legacy United logo on top. I don't see a QR code on this, like the other ones. Like the previous iterations of the Transformers Legacy line. Legal on the bottom. Yeah, no QR code. Okay. As usual, going into this new year and onward, we're going to be rating these Transformers into 3 as objective as I can be categories. Price, is it worth it? Appearance, is it on character model? Is the alt mode accurate? Does it look sharp? And transformation, is it fun? Is it intuitive? So let's get the cracking this puppy open. I'm sorry, it's not a puppy, it's a cat. Cat bird. Bird cat. And I will open this up. While I'm opening this up, please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. If you do enjoy my videos, that way I can get more viewing. That box is empty. We're going to set that off to the side here. That's garbage. We don't need that. Here's the instructions. This is a pretty thick box. We'll see what we need. On the back, we have... Oh, there's no bag of accessories. Our accessories are right here. Let's hope we get them all. Here we have a gun, a wing. There's some more light down here. Good paint job on this. I like that little fade there going. It's seamless. Those are some, I guess, our wing projectiles. Our feather projectiles, rather. I'm just destroying this box. There's our other set. Are they opposites or are they the same? They are opposites. Awesome. Good job. Then we have some more guns here. Nice. Good accessories here. No fluff so far. No random gimmicks. Just our needed guns, our projectiles. Does that go in there? Yep, that goes in there. Good looking gun. Even if it does have those hollow-like pieces, we look inside, we actually have some tooling, some detail. So they're not just random hollowness, there is some detail in there. It's been a while. I sold my original Tigerhawk figure a while back, so it's been a little while since I handled it, so my comparisons from that to this is going to be a little rough, we'll say. Not rough, yeah, outdated. I mean, my memory is not going to go back that far. That's empty. We can set that aside. So here we have our feet stabilizers. First thing I am going to notice on this thing, is that right? Is its legs. I'll slower this a little bit. A little stumpy. It's the photos, the product shots do well to hide this, but I wasn't expecting that. It's kind of short in the legs, long in the body. I feel like there should have been some kind of... No. Just looking for any way that this could make them longer, but that's what they are. Okay. That is awkward. That whole hip section there. Though accurate, could use some updating. I don't like that per se. Here are the wings. Wings sit low. Of course, these plug into... Those slip around there. So of course we can plug those in, giving him a better profile. Does it go around that way? Huh. Plug that one in there. So we're gonna rotate these around. Then we can plug that in there. Like so. The wing part hangs down low, which I think is accurate to the character, but still looks awkward. I would have done some upgrading with that. Good movement with the knee joints. Good articulation. That you can see I'm having trouble with him standing while posing him. There's a nice ratchet there, but the side kick is loose on this side. It looks better when it's standing straight up like that. Once more, this still feels awkward. I know this is tailpiece, so this needs to be longer. It's just very hugely barrel-chested. It's the same problem I had with the Transformers Titans Return, not Titans Return. The Grimlock, the combining Grimlock with his huge barrel chest for no reason. The symmetry, asymmetry, that's part of his character. We see either side of the shoulder is asymmetric design. Because I have that behind there, we're getting a little... Now it's much more better profile in the image. Symmetrical, but asymmetrical. His face, can we get that there? I know my camera's a little low here, but we can rearrange this. That face there, his head sculpt, is asymmetrical. We see that it has a little feather design there. Focus. Little feather design there on the side. And more rigid design here on this side. That's par for the character. That's on point for character accuracy. That whole piece down there, I hate when Beast Wars did things like that with connectors. I have a feeling our upcoming Fusor Silverbolt will be the same way with this weird diaper connection for the crotch. And nice detailing on the back. You can see some more asymmetrical design for the head on the back. But of course the wings, we look at the inside of the wings, it's just like the original one where it's kind of hollowish inside. These do flip around, so I like that. That's a bonus. This only pegs in by one tab there. And even that's hard to see there. There's one tab on the inside where this pegs into, and that's why that keeps opening up. So far, bot mode. I think it's... These go anywhere else? Can I store these anywhere? I guess we can store them down here. And I know they can be held in his hand. Yep, okay. That's good. We can store them like that. Okay. It looks so much better on that side. Why couldn't they have organized it a little bit? I mean, it looks good. It looks good. It's not great. We have this impressions as opposed to coming outward there at the back of the wings. Lose little points for that. Bot mode. Appearance-wise, he's getting a 7. Overall looks good, but a lot of hang-ups I have. The hollow, the wings. I mean, you're going to be viewing it from the front in robot mode. Why don't these wings... Why aren't the details on this side? Let me put it that way. Why aren't the detail? Why isn't there more detail here? That's a point there. Another point for the diaper. And just overall, you could have made the legs longer. You could have. So that 3 points lost for that. Let's get to transformation. So this here should be interesting to view, or very frustrating to view, depending on how we view it. 43 steps, eh? It's going to be once more asymmetrical. How do I know that? It's because the head is on the side here, and that's got to rotate. So we got to figure out what is rotating where, what's rotating how. This is part of the chest here. This little spark chamber. I guess they have that. It's not a giant ball like the original, but it's there. Oops. I don't know how long I had it switched. I'm just taking part things, okay. Once more, that just snaps right off. There we go. Looking at this, we got a little, that knob on the one side is worn. Does it annoy me? Yes. Do I lose points for that? I don't know yet. Alright. So I can see on the arms. That's gonna have to go inward. How about this side? No. Oh, there we go, yeah. Okay, so the hands go away. And I've completely removed the chest here, so we are beyond following directions. We can hide the head there. These are our back legs, these chicken legs here. This piece here should rotate. There's a peg there for that arm. So that's going to go there. The head's going to follow up there. And this piece will I keep trying to rotate that keeps snapping off. Should go there. And we can see there's a peg here and there. So those pegs should go together like so. Does that go? Okay, so that goes in there. That piece needs a peg in. Something's missing here. If that's pegged in there, that goes up like so. Huh. What opens it? Oh, look at that. That has a solid point there. So now I can snap back. I can rotate that way. That rotates down. Always feels like I'm trying to do the wrong part at the wrong time. I will let that half transformed. This is staying off for now. Because it looks like that's supposed to go in there. Let's rotate these up here. It looks like there's... Oh, there we go. Wish I would have realized that earlier. This piece here. So that's going to rotate down there because those are the back legs. Flip them there. Once more. Is this just on upside down? Is that what my problem is? Is this attached backwards? That is attached backwards. That is what my big problem is. This piece here. If we look at that. Nope. It's attached right. Alright, so we just rotate that all the way back. Chicken legs and all. These pieces, which is his chest, forms the tiger chest as well. The Tigerhawk chest. Does this piece go down here? Let me open that up, see if there's anything that has to snap in place there. Nope. Alright. So does this go around? We're just going to speed up the video at this point. What you see is me fighting with the transformation of the chest. There is a peg that will not peg in, partially because it is very finicky, partially because I had the arm rotated wrong. Then there was no intuitive indication as to which way the arm is supposed to rotate. We'll say it later in the video as I figure that out. Also, that piece underneath the tiger head keeps popping out. That is a problematic QC issue. but we're just going to speed this up as you see me trying to fix that multiple times. Alt mode looks acceptable. The question is, where does this piece go? And there's this piece right here. I know there was a way we could and even these don't stand up right. The back legs. I guess I gotta mess with them a little bit. There we go. Move that back a little bit. See if I can look upward. There we go. As opposed to looking sad and down. There we go. I'm not sure where to clip that in this mode. But I mean, it looks like Tigerhawk. Once more, this area looks awkward. Like this should fold up, fold down. I don't know. It just feels like this should add some more transformation sequence to its tail. I'm used to the fusers, the Tigerhawk, the bird legs looking anemic compared to the wolf legs, giving it that gorilla hulking, but not bot mode. I'm sorry, beast mode. It's pretty majestic, actually. Now we see all the detailing up top here. These connectors look pretty good. A little bit of hollowness there from the transformation sequence. But yeah, there's our Tigerhawk in beast mode. Transformation wise, I give this a 5. It loses a lot of points for just being too finicky. It's not the worst transformation. It should be pretty simple. It's intuitive, but not intuitive. It feels like they had to cut some corners for parts. Appearance. Alright, for appearance, he looks on character point. He's gonna lose some points for that awkward waist joint. He's got a 7 for appearance. And he's close to an 8 for character model and everything else. But I like the asymmetrical design too. I like all that bit of detail that they put into there. Robot piece here, furry there. I like that. Solid 7. Transformation. It's way too finicky. 6. It's not intuitive. So I'd say overall, 7 out of 6. Get him if you get him. Get him on sale. He'll look good on your shelf. I don't think it's gonna be something you're gonna be messing around transforming. He does have the usual beast former with one arm this down here, one arm up here. Yep, there he is. There is Transformers Legacy United Beast Wars Universe Tigerhawk. If you're still watching, thank you very much for watching. I know I've had some awkward transformations. This probably far is one of the most frustrating awkward transformations. But if you are still watching, thanks for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. I come back with more videos at least once a week. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.